is my ZOJE. It's a ZJ9703AR-D4J. Reverse, the stitch length, the control panel. Here I put some magnets for easy to reach things I need. Here you have the pedal. It's really big and nice. It works kind of like a car gas pedal. You push it forward like this for gas, and back on the back when you want to cut the thread. And if you make a half back, you raise the presser foot. We will try to sew and see. Now I will cut the thread. Now you see this. Press on it with your knee like this, and every time you press it to the right, like this, the presser foot will go up and down. So the functions: you press forward, you're giving gas. You tap all the way back, you cut the thread. And if you want to raise your presser foot with the pedal, you just make it backward halfway, not all way. So on the ZOJE ZJ9703AR-D4J/02, you have 3 options to lift your presser foot. You have as the standard sewing machine in the back of the needle, you have it in the pedal, and you have it in the knee lift.